What's up? Kumusta diha everybody? Welcome to Bisaya in Japan. Today we will have an unboxing video. A little bit late, but this is the Air Force One Tokyo Halloween 2021. Actually, Valentine's Day happened. But sagli lang. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's check this out. I ordered this from Nike, pero tanawa, too bad. The box has a dent on it. Top of the box, Nike Air Force One. And on the side, here we have Air Force 107 PRM. Okay, starfish. Okay, now there's some mix of orange colors. The bottom here, and just plain black on the side. Okay, let's open this. Ta-da! So we can see. Let's see. Same Space Jam 2, the Air Force One. There's some star designs on the paper. Yeah, there. Star designs. Okay. And then... Woo! Look at that. Look at this. We can see some beautiful leather here. Look. Whoa. Look at the leather here. Beautiful. And since this is Halloween edition, we can get the orange here mixed with the black on the main body. Toe box, plain black leather. But on the side here, look. Whoa. I love the detail on this thing. Here. And then here's the swoosh. The back. The Nike Plus. Oh, it's an eye. Let's check the tongue. And inside. Here. Spider-Man. Oh, there's Spider-Man there. Alright. This is the first shoe. Let's check the second one. Okay. So this is from Nike Japan, so with a black tag. Well, let me put this here so that we can differentiate. You guys have this almost the same pattern here. Eyes. I just love the detail of the leather. Look. What beautiful leather there. So. Okay. Stars. The back. Let's compare it side by side. So this is the Tokyo Halloween Air Force One 2021. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching Bisaya in Japan. Yahoo!